Well, hello everyone. Dr. Pogi here. We just had an amazing Q&A session. Thank you so much for those of you who joined. We had a great discussion and hopefully I clarified some of your questions. I believe that the discussion was mainly about the data analysis or the milestone assignment. And because I did some demonstrations with the people who joined, I want to make sure that everyone can get this clarification in a video. So I was going to type the instructions, but I think this will be way faster and better for you to understand, right? Because obviously typing step-by-step instructions are easier, and I'm now recording myself and I probably have to edit the video and then upload the video, but it's all good because I want to make sure that you understand this since we are in module 3 and you're going to understand what you're doing in your data analysis for your final project, okay? So you were provided with a data set. The data set, let's go ahead, is this one. This data set is the one that you're going to use to complete the module's activities exercises, right? And this one consists of 1091 observations. The row shows 1092 because, of course, the first one is the variable names, okay? So this is the data set that you're going to use for the module activities, okay? Hopefully that's clear. However, you're also going to use the same data set for your milestone assignments or your data analysis final project. However, you have to modify it just a little bit, okay? So if you remember, it's the same research. In milestone 1, you were supposed to select a research question. And I believe it was the relationship between age and use of electronic medical records. Maybe this one, medical records, right? Among the people, right? Among people with individuals with diabetes or depression or high blood pressure, okay? Again, among individuals with diabetes, depression or high blood pressure. In order to do that, you have to prepare your data set. If you understand here, you come and you see that you have medical conditions, depression, diabetes, and high blood pressure. Depending on the variable, on the research question that you selected, right, that defines your population, that defines your sample. So if you selected among individuals with depression, you must select people with depression, okay? So when you conduct the descriptive statistics and all the data analysis related to milestone and final project, milestone assignments and data analysis final project, you must ensure that you're working and running the data analysis with the correct sample, okay? So to do that, if you selected among individuals with depression, you can select here, depression equals 1, and that will give you a total of 220 individuals. You can easily select, highlight everything, and select the 220 people, well, observations, right? You can copy, right? Copy, and then you can make a new data set with these numbers. And so when you do verify the numbers, it should be around 220, and it's 21 because it is counting the variable names, okay? Once you save this, if you're running your data statistics and your data analysis with Microsoft Excel, you can just use this one. You can save as, and you can call this, oh, which one was it? Sorry. Can't remember what I selected. This one was, I can't apologize. I can't remember the condition. This one is depression. Okay, so you can save it. Save as data analysis depression. And once you have that data set, now you can upload it to your StatCrunch. I just closed everything here, so apologize for that. Make sure that you're logged in. You can open StatCrunch, and then you can select data load from file on my computer, because that's where I save it at. And then you can simply just drop it in there. So you can go ahead and go here. We have depression, drag and drop. So this will be the data analysis depression that you're going to use for your milestone assignments if you've selected the relationship between age and use of electronic medical records among individuals with depression. Okay, so you are going to simply just run the summary statistics for age. You can do that. And then if you want to do the frequency tables, that's tables, frequency, and all the categorical variables, right? Not age, because age is a continuous variable. So you can have here the tables. So among individuals with depression, N equals 220. It's not 1091. It's not 1091. It's 220 individuals. Then you can you can interpret the results of the frequency tables. Okay, hopefully that is helpful. And this is one way. The second way, okay, this is very easy. Again, just in Excel, you select the cases, create a new data set, and then upload that. And this is the table or the data set that you're going to use for your milestone assignments and final project data analysis. However, some people prefer to work with their current data set, right? With the one that has 1,091 observations. You can see here, 1,091 observations. If you prefer to do that, you can. However, make sure that you're selecting the appropriate cases, okay? So if for milestone 2 assignment, you're asked to do descriptive statistics. So you will go ahead and do the, say, frequency tables for all the quantitative, for all the categorical variables. But you have to say, oh, remember, it's depression. The condition that I selected is among individuals with depression. So you have to use this option over here that is called the where statement, where you're going to build the statement, and you have to say medical condition, double click, is populated over here, equals, equals 1. Okay? And then okay. So you see how I built the where statement, medical condition underscore depression equals 1, because my research question is there any relationship between age and use of electronic medical records among individuals with depression? So you have to select the depression here, and then you're going to compute. And as you can see, it's again the number, the specific number of 220 instead of the 1,091. Okay, well, again, this is something that we discussed in our Q&A session today. It was really good. Thank you so much for bringing all your questions, but I thought I will share this with the rest of the class. If you have any question, please email me, and if not, I will see you all in next week's Q&A. Thank you.